Welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Class 3rd, Subject Mathematics, Subject Teacher Mrs. Hemlata. Today we are going to learn 3rd chapter numbers. In that we are going to learn how to form greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using given digits without repeating any digit in that. To form smallest 4-digit number using given numbers or digits without repeating any digit in that, arrange the given digits in ascending order and place the digit in the place value chart from left to right. Let us see few examples. Form smallest 4-digit number using following digits: 3, 8, 5 and 9. Use these digits to form smallest 4-digit number. To form smallest 4-digit number, we need to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means the arrangement of numbers from smallest to greatest. So, let us arrange these numbers from smallest to greatest. In these given digits, 3 is the smallest number, so we wrote it first. Then little greater number is 5, then 8 and then 9. So we arrange these numbers in ascending order and place them from left to right. Therefore, smallest 4-digit number formed by using given digits is 3589, and we had not repeated any digit to form this smallest 4-digit number. Let us take one more example. Form 4-digit numbers using 4, 8, 6 and 2. To form smallest 4-digit number, first of all, arrange these numbers in ascending order. Let us arrange it. 2, 4, 6 and 8 is the ascending order of the given digits, and we placed these digits from left to right. So this is the smallest 4-digit number formed by using given digits, and that is 2468. Take one more example. Form smallest 4-digit numbers using 4, 0, 3 and 5. We have to form the smallest 4-digit numbers using these digits. If we arrange these numbers in ascending order, then we will get 0, 3, 4 and 5, means 345. But this is a 3-digit number, so interchange first 2 digits, that is digit at thousands place and hundreds place. So we need to interchange these 2 digits 0 and 3. So we will get the smallest 4-digit number formed by using 4, 0, 3 and 5, and that is 3045. Now we will learn how to form greatest 4-digit numbers using given numbers without repeating any digit in that. To form greatest 4-digit number using given digits, we need to arrange the given digits in descending order and place the digit in the place value chart from the left to right. Let us take an example. Form 4-digit numbers using 2, 4, 7 and 6. To form greatest 4-digit number, we need to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means arrangement of numbers from greatest to smallest. Let us arrange then these numbers in descending order. In this number, 7 is the greatest number, then 6 is little small number, 4 is little small than that, and 2 is the smallest number. So we arrange these numbers in descending order and place them from left to right. So we got greatest 4-digit number formed by using given digits is 7642. Let us take one more example. Form greatest 4-digit number using 6, 1, 3 and 9. To form greatest 4-digit number, arrange these numbers in descending order and place them from left to right. Therefore, the greatest 4-digit number formed by using given digits is 9631. Today we learned how to form greatest and smallest 4-digit number using given digits and without repeating any digit in it. I hope you understand it. Thank you.